Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Mon, a trusted real estate broker. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Park McKinley West. Papakita ko sa inyo yung isang 2-bedroom unit for sale. Pre-selling po sa Park McKinley West. Okay, panoorin nyo po ito. This is the 2-bedroom unit, 110 square meters here in Park McKinley West. Marami lang pong tao kasi may orientation ngayon yung mga brokers and sellers. So this is the 2-bedroom unit, 110 square meters. 2-bedroom and 2 toilet and bath. Ayan, kitchen, yung makikita nyo yung kitchen. And then maid's room. This is the maid's room with own toilet and bath. With toilet and bath. And this is the living area. Living area with balcony, 3 square meters balcony. Ito yung balcony niya. And then makikita yung swimming pool. Ayan. Okay. And then here, the bedroom. And then to yung bedrooms. This is the bedroom 1. And then may access siya dun sa balcony. And then cabinet is included na on the turnover. Okay, going to the master bedroom. Okay. Ito pala yung common toilet and bath. Kasi 2 toilet and bath ito. Ayan. And then the master bedroom is here. Ito yung master bedroom. Ayan. Aircon is included in the turnover na. This is actually the mock-up unit or the actual turnover unit. Ayan, access to the balcony. Ayan, makikita nyo. Access to the balcony. Ito yung master bedroom. And then, may sarili na siyang cabinet, closet, and then toilet and bath. Yeah, inside the master bedroom. Yeah. Okay, this is the amenity area. Yan, yun yung swimming pool. Yan yung tower.
Pakita ko lang po other amenities.
This is the yoga area. Yan, makikita nyo. Yeah, one of the amenities here in Park McKinley West. Yeah, this is the game room here in Park McKinley West. Yeah. May billiard. Yeah. May football, I don't know anong tawag nito. Okay, kung nagustuhan niyo po yung, or if you want to inquire a studio unit, 1-bedroom unit, or a 2-bedroom unit in Park McKinley West, then call me at my mobile number po. Or you can reach me through email, WhatsApp, even to my Viber po. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.